Diba? You can't afford. So, one day, my last end goal, if I have the knowledge already, and secondly, if I have the fulfilled heart on the work or in the experience of the social reality, I was able to connect with the people, then if I'm satisfied already, the last end goal for me is to establish or to have an organization like a foundation, a school youth foundation that is accessible for the youth, that will give them quality education and equip them with the skills and the knowledge that they need in real life. So that's what I wanted to do in the future. So habang hindi ko pa yun nangyayari, syempre mayroon namang step-by-step process yan bago pa sumakses. So, I'll use all of my connections, resources, lahat to have that kind of dream. Kasi for me, I have an end goal. It's not enough for me that I have my own goal. I also have goal for other people as well. So, yun lang naman. I think if na-achieve ko yung last goal ko na yun, I can really say that I've made it already in life. Na malayo na yung narating ko. Ngayon, again, that's just my goal. I'm still hoping sana pagpalain na mangyari yun. Hindi naman, it's okay, it's fine. There's other ways to help other people. You know, maybe I could volunteer or whatsoever. But, yeah, that's just my end goal. Hoping for the best, but, you know, I still don't control the future. I'm just learning and enjoying the journey right now. And hopefully, pagpalain. Thank you.
Wow!